Hi, some time ago I became interested in self-hosting, but after looking on docs and some more straightforward ways of container deployment, I found, in my opinion, the best way to deploy apps. I am talking about Dokploy. You can see that ease of use is mentioned right from the get-go. On official site you can see basic information about this software and what it can do for you. But what's the most important for this video is the template section, because Dokploy allows you to deploy software using pre-made templates. This way, you can stand on somebody's shoulders while you learn. You can use Dokploy on your PC, for example old laptop that you don't use anymore, or VPS, Virtual Private Server, which differ from regular servers on which you host a website, because a whole server is under your control. So we need to get us some VPS. For this video and my wallet, we'll use Lumadoc. In my opinion, the best provider of VPS for learning or private use. It is cheaper than other alternatives and you don't lose anything by using it. You can see that they provide many different VPS for different use cases. We'll try the new high-end server located in USA. You can see that with Lumadoc you pay less for the same performance. Okay, now after we bought our new VPS server, we can progress with installation of Dokploy. First, we need to open VNC console of our server, put login and password that we get from Lumadoc by email after we purchase it. Remember that for server terminals to paste, you must add shift. After logging in, we paste Dokploy installation script with sudo and wait for the process to complete. After that, we'll get URL address for our admin panel. We should go there immediately. For our browser and safety sake, we should obtain some domain for our new software. In my case, we'll use my domain, which I bought. Simply, in domain settings, you must add new DNS line. Simply add Dokploy in name and IP of your server in value bracket. At last, change TCL to something like now. In your Dokploy settings, we'll change web server address to our domain. And by doing that, our server will not glow red for our browser to freak out about that. And now we have secure instance of Dokploy which can access from anywhere. Now explore templates section. As you can see, there is plenty of apps to try, and in later videos we'll explore deeper some of them. But for this video, let's try something simple but useful. Penpot is online design software similar to Figma, which can easily self-host using Dokploy. Simply choose Penpot from the list and click Create. Now we can see we can deploy our app using Deploy button. We can also observe deployment process by clicking here. So now it seems that we are ready to go. Let's try opening Penpot in our browser. Okay, seems like everything is working. Let's create admin account and organization. Before we go any further, we can see that this link is weird and scares our browser. So how can we fix it? Simply add another DNS line in your domain provider for Penpot. The process is exactly the same as with Dokploy. Add Penpot to name bracket and copy IP address to value bracket. Now let's go back to Dokploy. In our Penpot container setting, we'll change domain value to our domain and enable HTTPS connection with Let's Encrypt. Now reload our container and we're all set up. In a matter of minutes, we are in possession of design software which we self-host on our VPS and can access it from any place safely. Dokploy allows for easy and fast deployment, and you can learn more by visiting their docs. I hope I was able to convince some to try Dokploy and begin self-hosting journey.